नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ JVN Dr. Ritu Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Gynae of Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Now today's session is secondary dysmenorrhea, is also called congestive dysmenorrhea. Secondary dysmenorrhea is normally considered to be menstruation associated pain occurrence in the presence of pelvic pathology, that is causes of pain. Pain may be related to increasing tension in the pelvic tissue due to premenstrual pelvic congestion or in increased vascularity in the pelvic organ. Common causes of secondary dysmenorrhea, that is cervical stenosis, chronic pelvic infection, pelvic endometriosis, pelvic adhesions, adenomyosis, uterine fibroid, endometrial polyp, IUCD in utero, and pelvic congestion. Obstruction due to Mullerian malformation are the other cause. Patient profile. The patient are usually in their 30s, more often parous and unrelated to any social status. Now clinical features. The pain is dull, situated in the back and in front without any radiation. It usually appears 3 to 5 days prior to the period and resolves with the start of bleeding. The onset and duration of pain depends on the pathology producing the pain. There is no systemic discomfort unlike primary dysmenorrhea, and the patient may have got some discomfort even in between periods. There are symptoms of associated with pelvic pathology. Abdominal and vaginal examinations usually reveal the offending lesion. At times, the lesion is revealed by laparoscopy, hysteroscopy, or laparotomy. Now, treatment. The treatment aim is the cause rather than symptoms. The type of treatment depends on the severity, age, and severity of the patient. Now, other thing is ovarian dysmenorrhea, right ovarian vein syndrome. The right ovarian vein crosses the ureter at right angle. During premenstrual period, due to pelvic congestion or increased blood flow, there may be marked engorgement in the vein and increase the pressure of ureter, anesthesis, infection, and mm, py- pyo- uh, pal- pyelonephritis or pain also. Now, causes of unilateral dysmenorrhea, ovarian dysmenorrhea, bicoordinate uterus, unilateral location of pelvis, endometriosis, small fibroid polyp near one cornua, and right ovarian vein syndrome, colonic or sickle spasm. Also. Now, Michaelis Marsh syndrome, ovular pain. Ovular pain is not an infrequent complaint. It appears in the mid-menstrual period. The pain is usually situated in the hypogastrium or in either iliac fossa. The pain is usually located on one side and does not change from side to side according to whichever is ability. Nausea or vomiting is conspicuously absent and rarely start more than 12 hours. It may be associated with slight vaginal bleeding or excessive mucoid vaginal discharge. The exit cause is unknown. The probable factor are first is increased tension in the Graafian follicle just prior to rupture, and now second is the peritoneal irritation by the follicular fluid following ovulation, and third is contraction of the tubes and uterus. Treatment is effective with assurance and analgesics. In obstinate cases, the cure is absolutely making by cycle and available with contraceptive pills. Now, pelvic congestion syndrome, there is disturbance and the autonomic nervous system, which may lead to gross vascular congestion with pelvic varicosities, and patient has congestive type of dysmenorrhea without any demonstrable pelvic pathology. Now, diagnosis is made by physical examination, that is radiological study like pelvic venography, Doppler scan, duplex ultrasound scan, CT scan, MRI, angiography, laparoscopy. Diagnosis is difficult as the intraperitoneal pressure and Trendberg positions. The vessel may be compression but will reappear as the pressure is reduced. Now, patient's complaint, the vague disorder, backache, and pelvic pain with long standing position at the time with dyspareunia, and there may be menorrhagia or epimenorrhea. The uterus may feel bulky and boggy. The treatment is unsatisfactory. Medroxyprogesterone acetate MPA 50 mg daily for 4 months was found effective. In Paris women with advancing age, hysterectomy may be relieve the symptoms. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it.